Here we are today looking at this absolute unit of a range cooker. It's the HGE 93505S. It is the black version of the Avantgarde Pro 90cm range cooker. We also have it in inox high-grade stainless steel. That is the R version. Now, what makes this cooker so special is that it's absolutely built like a tank. It's the most solid range cooker of our entire range because all of the materials that are used are the highest quality metal that you can find, especially these cast iron pan supports that are easily removable and dishwasher safe. Plus, it comes with a wok adapter and all of the knobs are made out of high grade metal. Here you can see this is how the knob is, this is how it operates, and you can even hear it, that beautiful, solid, chunky sound that just inspires so much confidence when you use this device. With that, you also have the standard single-handed gas ignition, plus you have the gas failure safety device. So if for any reason the flame should go out without your doing so, the gas supply will automatically cut off to keep you and your loved ones safe. Plus, it's also capable of using natural gas, which is what comes from the mains, or LPG. All you have to do is, if you would prefer to use our installers, please select the option at checkout. We'll come out, we'll change the nozzles to whatever gas you need to suit your kitchen. Moving down from the hob, you have the massive electric oven. It is 115 liter capacity with 8 different multi-functions, which are operatable by this lovely metal knob here. And you can adjust the temperature precisely to what you need. With that, the inside also has an electric rotating rotisserie and anti-allergic, environmentally friendly enamel, which is very easy to clean. All you have to do is heat the oven to the maximum amount, 250 degrees for 1 hour, and it will convert all of the internal residue, mostly to ash, where it's easy enough just to sweep out. With that, it also comes with many different trays and usage, plus these lovely telescopic rails which provide a nice smooth glide for using your trays. It also has this lovely recipe system, so if you're not following recipe online, you can follow this and it will tell you what type of food is cooked best in this oven using which functions. Also, one of my favorite things about this oven is that if you want to put away some pots and pans or trays or whatever have you that the kitchen normally has, you have this lovely storage drawer on the bottom. And of course, my next favorite thing is the chunkiness and solidity of these handles. They are extraordinarily tough and powerful and resilient, and they will last the entire lifetime of this machine. Plus, also, this oven comes with your standard intelligent electrical timer, which is very easy to use using touch only, and a child safety lock to make sure that your loved ones are kept safe. So with that, the Avantgarde Pro 90cm range cooker also has a variety of matching cooker hoods that you're able to use with it. We recommend the Avantgarde Pro line. That way it's the maximum level of extraction power from the most powerful motors that we use in cooker hoods. They go up to 1,250 cubic meters per hour. And with that, I look forward to having you as our esteemed customer.